Aloha, fellow eaters. Today we'll be drinking Gatorade Frost Thirst Quencher Rain Berry. Right before we drink, I just want to remind everyone to say grace. We must remember that all these gifts are from God, who nourished us all and gave us the wisdom and strength to endure anything. And to also remember that all these folks who farmed, cooked, and prepared all these foods worked really hard on it. And I'll have timestamps in the description below so you can skip through the video in parts you want to see. So please check that out. Wow. Rainberry. Alright. Should taste like berries. Mmm. 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 Oh. Taste that again. Wow. I'm not too sure what kind of flavor that is. It does taste like a hint of blackberry and blueberry. And I don't know if it's just me, but it tastes like a little bit of salt in there as well. It's not salty, but I can really taste something. Maybe it's just me, I don't know. Maybe I just need salt today. Yeah, it tastes good. Nice and watery. Yeah, if you like berries, get this. Thank you, folks. And for more Gatorade foods, drinks, right here, folks. And for other foods, right here. And don't forget, when you subscribe, you're also supporting all these folks who farm, cooked, and prepared all these